Stevie, you're almost done with that Lusso, so I got you a new project.
Okay.
This is the one I found in the tent down in New Jersey, in the guy's backyard. And I've sold the car to our friend Dick, and we're gonna change the color. We're sort of at odds at the present time. He wants it red metallic, which I don't like, Rosa Rubino, and I want to paint it dark blue. So I think dark blue with tobacco is going to be a
Very nice.
yeah, it's going to be a good choice of colors. So what I want to do is I want to get all the chrome off because I want to get it up to Mickey as soon as possible and get the chrome going. Get the seats out and get those down to Johan. Get the seats going, and going to want to pull the motor out of it. The motor, we're going to have to go through the whole thing. Suspension, you know, normal deal.
Yep. All X.
Hopefully, before I go to Pebble Beach in August, we can have this thing done and delivered. So it gives us a summer.
Okay.
All right? Go to it.
All right.
This is what we do best around here, restore cars. Had the car at the shop for a little while. Stevie has disassembled it. We've got the engine out and Roger's rebuilding that. And we've done the body work and we're ready for paint. We're going to prime the car in a dark blue primer today because it gives us an option to paint the car either red or blue. Customer wants it red, I want it blue. We'll see who wins.